Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now it's time to get this in my car, and as soon as I get this part situated inside the car, then I could start doing the install of the harness. But I want to do this first so I have this thing plugged in correctly. Let's go to the car. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right over here somewhere, because I want a direct shot to the alternator, which is right there. So I figure I'm going to put it maybe on the other side of this. Run one to the alternator. The second one goes to the back, where it's going to tee into the bulkhead harness. And the third is going to tee into the back of the bulkhead harness. One for the injectors and the second one for the smart coils. Then I have to get a trigger, which I can pull off of the C100 connector back here at the back of the fuse box. I have a couple already loomed and already sitting there ready for action. So I'm going to plug it into that, and a ground, which I could just ground to the chassis over this side, then loom it, and we should be good to go. I haven't seen this thing since the PRI show. Boy! Boy, you do something to me, man. Also with this newly acquired Ford 9-inch in here. Look at that. Come on now. Come on now. Woo! Alright. Well, let's get back at this. I'm going to start mocking up this hot wire kit and getting this thing in there. Okay, well, I got this thing mounted. Show you how this is going to work. So if I pop the cover on it, which I can't right now, these four are for the 4 fuses that are in the corner. The red one is going to go to the alternator. Let's see if I can get it on this side here. These are the triggers. So one, the black one, is going to ground, which I have a ground strap right here. So I'm going to tee that one in here. And these other 2 wires I'm going to loom and send to the C100 connector for the keyed ignition that I have sitting right over there. And the other 2 that I have running off of this is the 10 gauge that's going to go to the back of my bulkhead harness to tee into the smart coils and to the injectors. So I'm going to loom this, run it under, you're not going to be able to see it, and then bring it out through this side and have a connector that connects right to the harness on this side. That's pretty easy. Just like that. It fits better than I thought. I'll put this in the link in the description below, where I got this one on eBay. Company's called GEP that I got that fused relay from. Well, I got this part already hooked up, loomed. All the lines are run. I'm running that module over to this nut because it also tees off of some fuses that I use over here. So I also have that running into here, and then one wire is coming off of here and going in the back of the alternator. The two wires that go to the injectors in the smart coils to give it power. This is for the injector, and that's for the smart coil. So I'll be running these two under there as soon as I put the Holley in. But now everything seems to be pretty much in place for me to install the Holley now. So I think I'm gonna fire this car up one last time before I put the Holley in. I haven't started this car since the PRI show, so what the hell, let's give it a shot. Alright, fire in the hole. Hopefully this battery has enough juice.